So this is part one of a video about the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. We've got a buy sniper with the longer term trend of the market that just set up on the 6th of February. So I just want to do a quick video, pop it out there on YouTube, and then we'll see how it goes in the next few days, really. So we'll do an update, which will be in the next few days, and we'll see whether it hits target, hits stop loss, how we manage that trade as well. So we'll do a full recap of that trade as it comes through. Now, what we've got is a buy from here on the close of the candlestick from last night. There you can see those indicators turning from red to green, the big disc on the chart as well. So there's our buying opportunity. Context wise, what's the reason why we want to take this buy? Simply the case that we're with that trend. If you look on the far left hand side of the chart, you'll see that green arrow pointing up with monthly against it. That means the longer term trend is up. So we're looking to buy in line with that longer term trend of the market. And the trend is determined by this line on this monthly chart here. You don't have to necessarily look at these higher time frames because the key information is really here by looking at those arrows. So what have we got here? We've effectively got what we call a sniper trade. We've had a deep pullback. Okay, we've moved into an oversold situation in an uptrending market. We've then had the next wave up, suggested a turning point to resume that direction. So we're going to go for the buying opportunity. As for it goes, we've got a number of target opportunities that we can look for. The ultimate target is going to be up towards the top of this line, which coincides with this 84.39 resistance level. That might take a couple of phases, a couple of waves to get up there. As a first target, we'll be looking for a percentage of the stop loss, really a one-to-one trade opportunity on this, really. So look, let's tune in a few days' time. So this is part one of the CAD yen trade for the 6th of February 2020.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trendsignal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trendsignal website for the latest events and to book your free place.